In this video, you'll learn how to create a custom voice in ElevenLabs by preparing your voice sample. By following these steps, you will be able to clone your voice for various applications, enhancing your audio projects with a unique touch. To begin, it is essential to prepare your voice sample effectively. Aim for a recording length of at least 10 to 20 seconds, with 1 to 5 minutes being ideal. Make sure to choose a clean recording environment that is free from background noise, echo, or music. Speak clearly at a normal pace, as this will ensure the best results. You can record your voice in either WAV or MP3 format. A practical tip is to use your smartphone in a quiet room or software like Audacity to capture your audio. Next, navigate to ElevenLabs by opening your web browser and entering ElevenLabs.io if you are not already logged in. Enter your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, look for the top menu and click on Voice Lab. This section is where you will manage all voice-related activities. After entering the Voice Lab, click on the Create Voice option and then select Custom Voice. This action will lead you to a new interface where you can upload your prepared voice sample. You can either drag and drop your audio file into the designated area or record directly in your browser if you prefer to capture your voice at that moment. Once your audio file is uploaded, you will need to give your voice a name. This name should be descriptive enough to help you identify it later. Additionally, you have the option to add a description such as deep cinematic voice to further clarify the characteristics of your custom voice. After naming your voice, you can adjust various voice settings to optimize the output. The recommended stability setting is between 30 and 50, which balances naturalness and robotic tone. For similarity or clarity, aim for a range of 65 to match your original voice. Style exaggeration can be adjusted to 15 to 25, which adds expressiveness to the voice. If you are planning to use the voice for narrations, turn the speaker boost on, while it should be off for whisper or soft tones. Keep in mind that some settings may vary depending on your base recording and desired output. To finalize the process, click on Create or Train Voice. This action will initiate the training of your custom voice. Be prepared to wait a few minutes, as the processing time will depend on the length and quality of your recording. Once the training is complete, your custom voice will appear in the My Voices section, ready for use. Now, you can utilize your custom voice by navigating to the text-to-speech section. Select your newly created voice from the available options, paste the text you want to convert into audio, and generate the audio output. This process allows you to effectively use your voice in various applications, enhancing your projects with a personalized touch. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.